ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కర్ణాటకల్లో విజయవంతమైన నియో ఆయుర్వేద మిరకల్ డ్రింక్స్ ఇండియాలోనే పేరుగాంచిన వైద్య ప్రయోగమని డాలస్ ఈవెంట్లో నిర్వాహకులు తెలిపారు. రీసెంట్ గా డాలస్ లో లాంచ్ చేసిన నియో ఆయుర్వేద మిరకల్ డ్రింక్స్ ఆహార నియమాలకు భారీ స్పందన వచ్చింది.
Good evening everyone. We are very fortunate that Dr. S.M. Raju is here in Dallas. He is the inventor of miracle drinks back in India. We have a factory of in Bangalore about 50 acres. He has been helping people with his supplements, miracle drinks for almost 7 to 8 years now. There have been 30 to 40,000 people who have got benefited from these miracle drinks. And we are very fortunate that Dr. Raju is setting up his branch in Dallas, in US in Dallas, and he is here. We just had a great event. So many people have participated. He disseminated the knowledge of miracle drinks and how food is the medicine. He has shown all the people how food can help people. The food that is available in our kitchen that we use in our daily lives and all.
I'm Dr. Preeti. I'm here to talk about Mr. Raju sir, who is an inspiration. He has invented some medicines, which is the miracle drinks. He has given us such an invention which really helped a lot of patients which are incurable, but now there is a hope that it cures. So let's hope, we are in a hope that we will, as a team, we will help patients curing these diseases with a lot of hope and with a better betterment of their life.
I am Dr. S.M. Raju, former IAS officer. Basically, I have invented this Neo Ayurveda miracle drinks to get cured myself from the rheumatoid arthritis problem. That was in 1981. Later on in 2008, my father had a chronic kidney failure and I cured him. And later on 2010, my son had a acute leukemia. There is a blood cancer for him, along with allopathic medications. With my inventions, I have cured, and thereafter I had the opportunity to cure Honorable Union Minister Shri Shripad Naik from some health issue, and like that many people, including Honorable former Chief Justice of Rajasthan, Shri S.N. Jasar, they poked me, why can't you bring this science, that is a Neo Ayurveda, that is the inventions whatever I have done for the public. So accordingly, Government of India and Government of Karnataka funded to our family, and today I have brought this science to the entire humanity of the world, and I am giving hopes to the people who have lost hopes, because right now in the world, in blood vessels, in size of 1 capillary to 1 micron to 20 micron, what we call capillaries and microcapillaries, in dysfunctional organ, there is no any solution to regulate the blood circulation, to ensure the nourishment and also to detox the cells. But here in Neo Ayurveda, I am firstly regulating the gut microbial activity in a prebiotic approach, and thereafter I am regulating the blood circulations at the capillaries and microcapillaries and healing through the food. Food is a medicine for chronic kidney diseases, pancreatitis and brain stroke, those who have lost speech, those who have lost eyesight. Similarly, chronic diabetes, who are having toes burning, who are having frozen shoulder and diabetic nephropathy, etc., like that, migraine, chronic kidney stone, varicose vein, like that. Here basically the principle is nourishing the undernourished organs. The food is the medicine. That is the principle I have taken, and the resultant effects one can be seen in 2 days to 1 week, but one has to follow what the food which I have defined. It is a 40 years of the research work, and one can see the resultant effects within 2 to 7 days, what I am observing. Thank you very much.